Hey guys, it's Jess the Glam Pixie, and I am super excited about today's video. For the very first time, I'm going to be trying Arctic Fox. I've chosen the color Sunset Orange, and I'm so excited to try this stuff out. So if you checked out my last video, you know that I've already bleached my hair. Yes, I know it's not blonde, but getting it from black, it had previously been purple. I think before that it was red, and I'm pretty sure before that it might have been green. So not bad considering, but it has been bleached. It's just not blonde. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to separate my hair into the section that I want to put most of the orange on. So I'm gonna take this top section out of the way. So now that that's out of my way, I'm gonna go ahead and start mixing my color. From everything I've seen, this color goes very, very bright and very red. So I actually want it to be more orange, so I'm gonna go ahead and dilute it using my Suave, I don't know. I'm just gonna say Suave Essentials Tropical Coconut Conditioner. You wanna use a white conditioner, that way it doesn't distort the color at all. So grabbing a Tupperware container, go ahead and put in, whoop, I just sprayed a bunch of coconut all over the place. Anyways, go ahead and pour the conditioner into the Tupperware. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put my colorist gloves on. I picked these ones up at Sally's for around $2. I can't remember how much they were, 'cause I got them a whole long time ago. But these are my standbys. I think these guys are great. Then I'm gonna pop open my Arctic Fox. I've already taken the protective seal off of that. And I'm gonna start slowly dropping in. So I'm gonna start with just one squeeze. Because I've never used this, I don't know how much to put in. Starting with that. And I'm gonna stir that and mix it up and see what color that gives me. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, so that's gonna be way too pastel, so I'm gonna go a lot heavier handed than that. And if you go too dark, you can always just put in more conditioner. This stuff smells really, really good. I actually think it smells better than Manic Panic, personally. Okay, so it's still looking too pastel. I don't want a sherbet color, I want a coppery color. Something a little bit bolder. So this is the shade that I got with about 3/4 of the bottle in there. It's a really beautiful dark pumpkin-y shade. So now I'm gonna go ahead and plop it on the lower section of my hair. I don't really use any rhyme or reason to this. I just kind of take a hand scoop and plop it on. This stuff smells absolutely amazing. I can't place it, but it is such a good smell. So now that this lower section is totally saturated, I'm gonna go ahead and put it up and out of my way. Then I'm gonna take this little bit in the front of my bangs, and I'm gonna coat this little section right there. As you can see, I'm not being really like specific with pieces I grab because I don't want it to be too uniform. I'm okay with it kind of looking streaky and partially ombre and uneven. I'm all right with that. And now I'm gonna remove the hairband from the top of my head, and I'm simply just gonna take a couple little pieces and put the orange on that as well. And I'm just gonna coat a little bit of the ends, not too much, just a little bit. All right guys, so now that I have put it everywhere that I want it, I'm gonna go ahead and chill out for about 2.5 hours, rinse, style, and then I'll show you the finished results. So this is how it turned out. I'm really happy with it. I think it's a really beautiful red to orange ombre, but not too neon looking. If you look in the center layer where it was a little bit heavier bleached, it's a very bright color. So I think that if you want a more neon, then you're gonna need to bleach it a little bit heavier. Whereas it was a little darker on the bottom, so it has a little bit more of a natural redhead look, which is more of what I was going for. My hair feels soft, conditioned, not really too damaged, so I'm very, very happy with the product, and I definitely plan on using Arctic Fox again. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to look out for more videos from me every Saturday at noon Eastern time. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!